what's up, Hilljack Nation? It's been a while since I've made a live video. Been putting up a lot of trail cam videos. But anyway, as you can see, we got a bridge out down here. Another hunter on the place got stuck, went through the rotted boards. So me and my brother-in-law, Brick, are here to pull up some of these rotten boards and do a little patching and make a track across. And so anyway, we're going to do that, and then we're going to mow some grass and then gather some SD cards and see what kind of mess we can get into. But anyway, deer season is upon us.
Yeah, ready to get after it.
Ready to get after it. I got a bum knee, so I don't know how much hunting I'll do early in the season, but we're getting it ready, getting everything ready to go. We're seeing some decent bucks. So anyway, we gotta get this bridge fixed and then see if we need to patch the other one a little bit, and then see what else we can get into. But anyway, you just come along and enjoy the show. Show you what we've done so far. We've replaced some rotten boards. We've replaced 3 or 4 braces underneath the bridge that were erosion had taken the dirt away. And now what we're going to do is we're going to run tracks along the top, just to kind of give us a little more support going across here, and that should help with everything as far as sturdying up the bridge a little bit. So we'll come back with you here in a second whenever we're shooting some bolts. I got you. Now we're putting down tracks to try to sturdy up the bridge a little bit. We've got them laid out, and Rick's putting some screws in the ends, and then we're going to drive the four-wheeler across and make sure. I've got the ends done on that side already. Rick's going to drive just the end pieces down so the board doesn't move, and we're going to drive across and make sure it's where we want it.
Here we go, Jeff. You're fixing to drive across it.
See if he can get it started.
And it works like a top. So Jeff's fixing to shoot some screws in it. I'm older than he is, so he's giving me a little break. Should be done probably another 5 or 10 minutes. Then we got another bridge we gotta go check. Didn't take as long as we thought it would. Think it's gonna work just fine.
We've had a pretty good day today. We fixed the bridge. We mowed grass. Now we're out checking trail cameras. If I see anything interesting, I'll throw it in here before the end. And now we're riding back toward the barn, and I just want to show y'all some of these beautiful flowers that come with this conservation crop that we got. I know earlier in the year I might have showed you black-eyed Susans and stuff, but now we got these other yellow flowers. I don't know what they are, but they're beautiful, and the birds seem to love them. But anyway, just switch you around here and we'll see what it looks like. All right, boys and girls, what's up? Got all our work done at the farm. We're back here at the house enjoying some Samuel Adams Oktoberfest with my brother-in-law. Dana's in the house puppy sitting. We're getting ready to eat some deer burger and put a wrap on this video. I'll let you look here at what we're grilling. Got a little SPG on the Rectech. There's the good stuff. My Rectech pellet grill, love it. Good job. So anyway, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hope y'all are getting ready for your deer seasons in whatever state you're in. And until next time, God bless y'all.